You've probably realized that numbers are pretty weird. Probability and statistics really drive the ball out of the park for me though. Just listen to this. In 1995 and 1996, David Justice, a baseball player, had a higher batting average each year than Derek Jeter. However, when looked at the 2 years together, Derek's batting average was higher, even though in both 1995 and 1996, David's batting averages were higher for each year. This paradox is called the Simpson's paradox, and it's the basis for gerrymandering, which is a real flaw in the electoral system. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure to drop a follow since we're really close to 400k, and by now,